for us. However, we're going to see the clouds and then heavy rain right in time for trick-or-treaters.
No.
I know. This is a big concern, especially because I have two little ones. I feel like every hour I keep watching the models, waiting for something to change, and obviously I'll share that with you if anything does. Right now, though, we're still dealing with sunny skies out over toward Deep Creek Lake. You can see beautiful conditions with all the fall foliage. Noticing, though, the clouds are going to start to increase. Temperatures are going to stay warmer than normal until we get a front on down our way. Look where the front is. I bet you can find it, right? The difference between the blues and the yellows. Temperatures behind the front, 44 degrees cooler than normal in Denver. Can you imagine such colder air? There's actually a freeze warning also up out over toward Oklahoma City, where their temperatures are forecast to fall to about 27 degrees over the evening. So an indication of the chilly air mass that is in our forecast right in time for the end of the work week. Right now, though, we're at 64 degrees in Middle River. Good evening to you out over toward Parkton at 65, and Annapolis now sitting at around 63 degrees. The Broadview showing us high pressures in place, and that's what brought us the golden sunshine for today. It's starting to shift, though, a little bit further out to the northeast, and as it does so, the winds are going to shift as well. So tomorrow, and really even tonight, we'll notice an easterly wind, and that's going to pull in some more moisture, thus equaling more clouds in place. But despite the cloud coverage, our temperatures will still be 5 to 10 degrees warmer than normal until we get that front on down for Halloween night, and that's what's going to produce the rainfall. For tonight, ahead of that front, just noticing the increasing clouds, it's going to feel fairly mild for us. 56 degrees out over toward Middle River, Aberdeen going for 55, and Columbia at about 54. Now tomorrow, this one model I think is a little too cool. Go ahead and add about 5 degrees to what you're seeing here. So the Inner Harbor, I think, really will be closer to 67. Out over toward Middle River, closer to 66, and even Stevensville closer to 67 degrees. We'll start out with those clouds, and it's going to be very slow for the clouds to break, but eventually leading to some breaks of sunshine for you. Detailing it out for you hour by hour. You'll notice those cloudy skies staying with us through the lunch hour. You might want to go ahead and just bring the bag lunch and stay inside and eat. It's not going to be so beautiful out there until we get to the later half of the day. By 4 o'clock now, little peaks of sunshine and temperatures then on into the mid-60s when normally we're sitting around the lower 60s. We will see maybe a few sprinkles tomorrow with the clouds in place. That's pretty much it. Just noticing that even by 1 o'clock, overcast skies. And we're starting to notice those clouds staying with us as well, even on into Wednesday. And now it looks like Wednesday night, when that front gets close enough, we have the chance for some showers. Staying with us through Thursday morning, heading out to work, sending the kiddos out to school in their cute little Halloween costumes. They're going to get wet. So try to make a way for their umbrella to be sort of decorated as well with the Halloween festivities. By around 5 o'clock, starting to do some trick-or-treating. The rain, especially for the northern half of the county. I've been watching this model run after model run, and that is the one thing that we've been consistent. So out over toward Annapolis and Shadyside, the rain may wait for you. By 7 p.m., there could be a little bit of a break out over toward Fells Point, but then it's back even for around Friday at 9 a.m. Continuing to watch for the showers rolling through the region. I think it'll come to a break by Friday afternoon, and we'll start to see some sunshine and then feel the chill. So for tomorrow, you'll start out with clouds, eventually leading to some breaks of sunshine. 67 degrees. Wednesday, we bump up to 71, a 20% chance of rain for our region into the evening. That's going to continue for Halloween. Temps will still be warm, though 70, and even for trick-or-treaters, only into the 60s. By Friday, we reach 60 degrees, but watch what happens over the weekend. We go down to the 50s, and then the evening in the 30s, where frost and freeze advisories may be up. We'll have more details on Halloween in just a bit.